Welcome to GCSE Art, Craft and Design. Results in this subject have recently shown an improvement and year on year getting better. In 2019, a student with a target of a 7 achieved the highest grade possible of a 9. The course is 60% coursework or portfolio and 40% ESA, externally set assignment, or known as the exam. The exam project looks like any other project, a mixture of research and analyses of artworks, initial observational drawings, plans for compositions, experiments with a range of media leading to a final piece to be produced in exam conditions in the art room. It is really important that students keep up to date with their work, as there is no written exam to revise for. They need to demonstrate their skills, knowledge and understanding throughout each project. As the course is broad-based, they also need to be willing to experiment with a range of media processes and techniques, including painting, printmaking, batik and graphic design. For assessment, working books is as important as the final piece. Throughout the course, there are many opportunities for independent learning and the chance to be creative. Although all students start a project with the same theme during Year 10, there are numerous directions they can take it according to their interests. Although we have been unable to this year, we usually have a couple of trips. At the start of the course to Lyme Regis to explore land art inspired by Andy Goldsworthy, and in Year 10 to London to visit galleries, and Tate Britain and Tate Modern to inspire pop art project. All topics we focus on are previous exam questions, so that by the time they reach Year 11, students know how to approach this component. In Year 10, there are 2 mini projects to introduce students on how to present their work before they start the major project, which continues into Year 11. This takes the form of an exam paper with a choice of starting points. We allow from the beginning of April until the end of the autumn term to complete this, as it should be a substantial body of work, culminating in a final piece in a medium of their choice and appropriate for each student's skills with the guide of the teacher. In January of Year 11, the time is spent working on the externally set assignment, known as the exam. As mentioned earlier, this resembles a unit of coursework. Research into the selected theme, initial drawings, and experiments with media processes and techniques are undertaken in class and for homework until the end of March, when the final piece is produced in exam conditions in the art room. All work produced counts towards the marks awarded, not just the final piece. Both portfolio and exam are internally assessed and externally moderated by AQA. As for post-16, we have a number of students that go on to study the subject either at A-level or a Level 3 qualification at Exeter College or Yeovil College, for example, if they don't stay at Wadham.